Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. So in today's video, we will get to know how to connect board on Asana. So you can see this is our main workspace. Now click here and you can see all the options: status, text, connect board. We will click on connect board. So after clicking the connect board, now you can see this is the option: select board, CRM work. Just click on CRM, connect boards. Now type here CRM. Now click on CRM. Now we will click on connect board. Now create a mirror option. Now add a mirror column. You can also check or uncheck this option. Allow linking to multiple items. Now click on disconnect. Now you can also add or remove columns here. Like I am clicking on CRM and now click on duplicate. Now click on delete. So you can also add the item, like I am adding the marketing team. Now I am also adding the new column sale team. So in this way you can easily connect a board on Asana.